How to change App Store reason. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. Now, at the top right corner, you're going to find your profile icon. Click on that. At the very top, you're going to find your Apple ID. Click on it. Now, navigate to the option country or region. Here, you're going to find a list of the countries. Now, select the country that you want to set for your App Store. Just click on it. Click on Continue. Now, go through the terms and conditions of Apple, then click on Agree. Now, fill out this. Add payment method, billing address. Once you provide all these details, click on Done. With that, your reason will be updated in App Store. This is how you can easily change App Store reason. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.